In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use board templates in Monday.com. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find a template, apply it to the right place, and make quick edits so your board is ready to use. Start by signing in and heading to your Monday.com homepage. From here, look to the left sidebar and open Workspaces. This panel is where all your work lives. So choose the workspace where you want your new board to reside. Click to open that workspace so you're working in the correct spot from the start. Next to the workspace name, you'll see a small plus icon. Click that plus sign to create something new inside this workspace. A small menu appears. Hover over the option with an arrow or chevron to expand more choices, then select Start with Template. This takes you to the Template Center, which is a library of ready-made boards designed for common workflows. Inside the Template Center, begin in All Templates to get the widest view of what's available. You'll also see sections like Recommended for You, which uses your activity to suggest good matches, and General Templates, which include popular, versatile setups. If you already know what you need, use the search bar at the top. Type a keyword such as project, CRM, or content to quickly narrow the list. When a template catches your eye, click it to open its details. You'll typically see a description, the types of columns included, and example groups or views. This preview helps you confirm that the structure fits your workflow before you add it. If it looks right, click Use Template. Monday.com will create a new board based on that template inside the workspace you opened earlier, so everything stays organized. After the board is created, it's time to make your edits. Rename the board to match your project or team, update the group names to mirror your process stages, and adjust columns so they track what matters most, like status, owners, dates, or numbers. Remove fields you don't need, add new columns if something's missing, and tidy up views so your team can find information fast. As you personalize the board, keep the template structure where it helps, but don't hesitate to streamline anything that adds clutter. Your changes save automatically so you can iterate as you go. That's it. You opened your workspace, started with a template, chose the right one, and customized it to fit your needs. Follow these steps whenever you want to launch a new board in minutes with a reliable, consistent setup.